3 loves and fabulous. Done. That's me. Hi.
I'm Amy Studebaker, interior designer, entrepreneur, and expert dreamer. Everything I've achieved has been the product of high speed, let's go, and big vision.
You're very brave.
I'm on a mission to take the dreams you have for your home and turn them into reality.
I like it so much.
I'll be showing up when you least expect it. When it comes to your dream room, all I need is a day.
Oh my gosh!
This is Dream Room in a Day. Last time on Dream Room in a Day, I took a drive over to the Valdeabellas to surprise them. Oldest daughter Amaya was ready for a space to call her own, with her current room falling flat and lacking personalization.
Nothing like this has really ever happened to me, and I'm just super excited.
By incorporating her new favorite colors and adding texture to the walls, I was able to transform her room from bland and boring to bright and beautiful. But I'm not done yet. Today, I'm heading back to make some more dreams come true. I had such a blast with Amaya, so today I'm heading back to the Valdeabellas to help her dad, Marlo, with a room he's been dreaming about his whole life.
Hi, I'm Elena.
And I'm Marlo.
We moved to Wildwood 3 years ago because of the neighborhoods out here and just the family feel.
Yeah, it gives the kids the opportunity just to be kids, roam around the neighborhood, ride their bikes.
Love the bones of this house.
For me, who's a wannabe do-it-yourselfer, many opportunities to improve little things, and I salivate when I see some of the rooms here and be like, yep, I think I can do this. Just give me a drill and a saw, things that just really won't hurt you if things go wrong,
Right.
which things have gone wrong.
Things have gone wrong. Things have gone wrong. So glad that Amy's here. So the entertainment space, it is really a space that this one has wanted his whole life probably. He's like a kid in a candy store when it comes to that. It was like the first thing that he pointed out, like, I know what's going here. And I love it because my kids all have a good time with it and I enjoy it. They're the more performers in the family, but his ideas and his thoughts have always, just kind of jumped out at him when he sees that space and excited about it, right?
Yeah, the entertainment space, the entertainment room is, again, a dream of mine.
Marlo is full of joy and enthusiasm. He's a wonderful father, husband, and a great performer. But I think he needs a little help today, and that's where I come in.
I've performed in community theater for several years, and actually my mom had told me one day that really it's really not me that's going to make it big in theater. She said it's my children. So thanks, Mom. So having a space down there for my kids, I think just gives them that opportunity to be creative, to sing and dance and just, to the rooftops and just be themselves as individuals, or just a place to perform, or just to sit down and just watch a movie together as a family.
Mm-hmm.
It's really for him. Okay, that's good to know.
And I did my best in terms of starting to create that little space, but I can only take it to a certain point, and hopefully we'll get some big surprise out of it.
I hope so.
All right, so I've heard a lot about this entertainment space downstairs. I'm excited to see. But should I be nervous? Anything you need to warn me about?
Well, it's an open space that I really wanted to make a place for us to watch movies, kind of an entertainment room, but also I built a stage so my kids can do a little karaoke and just really have a fun time down there.
Well, I'm excited to see. Why don't we go?
Absolutely.
All right. All right. Totally cracks me up. I mean, he's always been into the theater and the entertainment, and then he takes me downstairs to this entertainment room and then points me to karaoke. So we have concrete walls. Even the floor is concrete. exposed ceiling going on. Entertainment means movies.
Movies. Yeah.
Movies and stuff. A sheet or a screen? No. We have a stage.
Absolutely.
Microphones, what is this?
Karaoke.
You're brave. You're very brave. So is your family.
You know, being in the spotlight and maybe pipe in some applause from the crowd, and then I take the bow, have roses come down from the ceiling and drop them on my feet. Maybe.
I like it. I think that there's a lot of potential here. I think we're gonna have some fun with this space. So Marlo's a great DIYer,
Drill right through the hand.
but he just needs a little help with the design.
You know, I'm humble enough to know when the pros are needed to come in and just finish the job.
What vibe were you going for when you started pulling it together?
Well, this is a dad's best attempt at giving his kids a space where they can watch movies. I built a stage so they can perform up here. You see the white sheet back there, so it won't reflect against the stark concrete background for movies.
I'm right now kind of getting like concrete karaoke.
Absolutely. I've got a community theater background.
Okay.
Have a passion for theater.
Oh, you're a dreamer.
Accepting my Tony Award for best performance.
Oh, I like that. I like all of that you're bringing to this space. But, you know, I'm thinking, could it be a little too much concrete, a little harsh in this space?
Yeah, it's a little bit. It could certainly use a little bit of a touch-up.
I'm already thinking of some really good ideas of how we can bring this space together. But I think definitely some more seating, so you have room for the whole family to come in here, relax, and enjoy. You're like on the way, but we're just gonna like amp it up and take you all the way there.
That sounds great. Let's go for a ride. You might break out a song afterwards.
Oh, okay. Note to self. Not gonna happen.
You give me a dream room and I won't make you sing.
Easy money. Deal. And I am so looking forward to not singing karaoke with them. Basements can be a great bonus space for families, but they are often forgotten about when implementing design, and they can be a little tricky and sometimes overwhelming.
And what I never do, I never go down there when you are all gone from the house and turn up the volume and have all the lights on me and sing like it's my stage. Never do that. I'm gonna get a dream room today. A dream room, a theater room, a karaoke room.
Yeah, he does.
Dream room. All the time. A dream room. Oh, good times.
Amy's wonderful and fun and just has a great eye. Excited about it.
Theater and entertaining areas are great spaces in which to create an industrial feel. Adding texture and design to the walls and the ceiling are definitive decisions that will bring functionality and creative distinction to the room. For this project, I know that ATI decorative laminates will be the perfect solution. For Marlowe's concrete karaoke box, I went over to ATI Decorative Laminate's user-friendly website and chose 2 products that I think will really breathe new life into the space. The first one I selected is the Tetris wall pattern. Since his kids use this space as a stage, a theater, and sometimes a game room, I wanted to make sure to incorporate an element of playfulness. The second pattern I chose was the ceiling tile. These tiles lay in simply with a pre-installed grid system, and they look fantastic. Marlo needed a place to entertain, and that's exactly what we're doing with the Miraflex product. With the pre-installed grid system that attaches directly to the floor joists, the Miraflex tiles are very easy to install. When creating a recreational bonus space, I love to approach the design with function in mind. Creating a seating arrangement which includes a sofa and cozy chairs really allows for the space to be used in many different ways. Out with the theater chairs and in with the living room approach, making sure it's extra cozy for him and his adorable family. I am very happy to be able to give him his dream room in a day. All right, so Marlo, last time we were here, you had a concrete karaoke room in your lower level.
Right, yeah.
And we wanted to get you to more of an entertainment space, am I right?
Absolutely.
Are you ready to see what I can do in a day?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Honestly, I had no idea. Didn't know what direction she was gonna go. I was thinking black box theater. I was thinking movie, room, or like inside a movie theater. I had so many different ideas in my head of what it could be.
All right, Marlo, last time we were here, we made a deal. If I got you your dream room in a day, I did not have to sing. All right, it looks like you're singing solo. Open your eyes.
This is awesome. Are you kidding me? It was beyond my wildest dreams. It would take me a million years to think of what that could actually look like. Oh my goodness, the color, the industrial feel. There's no more concrete walls. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. Just enthralled. It's fantastic.
The mirror flex on the ceiling as well as the walls really brought about that look that he's going for. It's gonna finish the space and give them a place to entertain.
I feel like this is a theater. It just looks like the coolest room, entertainment room I've ever seen. Look out, kids. Looks like Dad's gonna be performing here every single day. Show's on, here we go. I mean, I can't thank Amy enough in terms of the vision and obviously the execution with the material. Thank you so much, Amy, for making my dream room in a day. And thank you for getting up there and actually singing with me.
Now that's just awkward. Wah, wah, wah.
I'm so happy that Marlo loves his room. He really deserves something amazing, and I'm glad we were able to give it to him. And now they all have somewhere comfortable to sit and watch him sing his heart out all night long.
Thank you, Amy, and you are welcome anytime to work on our new room or even coming back for some karaoke.
I had so much fun working today with the Valdeabellas. We really took their concrete karaoke box and made it the entertainment space that they deserve. I cannot wait for the next episode. Have a good day, guys. Bye.